Singapore National Library reading promoted by using Japanese Haiku by Muji. Singapore News. Muji, a Japanese lifestyle retailer, is collaborating with Singapore's National Library Board on the National Reading Movement (NRM) initiative, which aims to encourage Singaporeans to share their passion for reading. Muji is putting up haiku, a Japanese poetry, in-store installations in 2 of its stores as part of Ogilvy's Wall of Haikus campaign, which aligns with NRM's 2022 theme of Be Unexpectedly Interesting. The installations feature free bookmarks with 17 syllables, hand-drawn pictures, a haiku, and a QR code that promote 30 different ebooks and audiobooks. Customers can scan the QR code in Muji stores to access an ebook from NLB's collection. The haikus on each bookmark are written in such a way that they give hints to the titles of the books. These have a wide range of genres beginning from fiction or non-fiction books to literature of Singapore and even more.